Good morning, good afternoon, my friends all over the world. Today, let's continue to practice Shaolin 5 fists, the tiger's movements. Raise left foot, transition. Right foot, transition. Left foot again. Stretch two arms, two hands meet in front of my chest. Stretch my waist. And then I will step backward. Raise the knee, backward, transition. Backward, backward. Then 5 feet to right. Horse riding stance. Then stretch two arms forward. And left to left, right to right. And then I will hold a ball. Hold the ball from another side. And I will push the sky. Ball stance. And then I will step forward. Lift the right knee forward a little bit. Horse riding stance or ball stance, no problem. So I choose horse riding stance. I will push my left hand to right side. Push, push. Raise left elbow and the right fist. Push two hands here. Raise elbow. Raise two palms. Two big circles. Then practice ball stances with ball stance, horse riding stance, ball stance to left, and horse riding stance again. Then I will practice the elbows. Then I will teach you today's new movement. So I will continue to rotate to my right side. And the stance will be right side ball stance. My body tend to my right side. Then my body will turn to my left side. And the right elbow forward. Then I will change the ball stance into the horse riding stance. I will raise my two hands, change to palm, draw two big circles downward, cross in front of my chest, and left paw to left. And next movement, I will change the horse riding stance into right side bow stance. I will draw a big circle with my left hand, upward, forward, downward, a little bit backward. Then I will push my right hand, right paw to right side. So I repeat this again. Yesterday we stopped here. And now I will change my stance from the left side bow stance to right side bow stance. And my two elbows will draw a circle, horizontal circle to my right side. I will rotate to right. And I will rotate back. Then I will change right side bow stance into horse riding stance. I will raise my two hands, draw two big circles, and change hands into the paws. And then I will change from horse riding stance to bow stance, draw a big arc with my left hand, upward, forward, downward. Then I will push my right hand forward. So I repeat again. I repeat the whole movement again a little bit quickly, So the Qigong is not necessarily a slow practice, a slow activity. Sometimes we can also practice quickly. So I practice a little bit quickly this time. So, but you can choose to practice slowly as well. Okay, Thank you so much. Have a nice day.